Ever found a cool QR code in a photo saved on your Samsung and wished you could scan it without retaking the picture? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to do just that, utilizing the power already built into your phone. Samsung Galaxy phones have incredible ways to scan QR codes directly from your gallery photos, saving you the hassle of opening a separate app. Let's dive into the first method, Bixby Vision. First, head over to your gallery app and locate the photo that contains the QR code you want to scan. Once you have the photo open, look for the Bixby Vision icon. It usually looks like a stylized I or B. Tap on it. Bixby Vision will then analyze the image. You'll see a scanning animation, and if a QR code is detected, it will be highlighted. You can then tap the highlighted QR code to reveal the information it contains, like a website link or contact details. Now, let's explore the second, equally powerful method using Google Lens. If you don't see the Bixby Vision icon, or simply prefer Google's functionality, here's how it works. Again, open the photo with the QR code in your gallery. This time, look for the Google Lens icon. It typically resembles a camera lens. Tap on that. Google Lens will do its magic and identify the QR code. It will present you with options. Usually at the bottom of your screen you'll see an option to open the link or copy the text directly from the QR code. So, whether you prefer Bixby Vision or Google Lens, scanning QR codes straight from your photo gallery on your Samsung Galaxy is a breeze. No more searching for specific scanner apps. It's all integrated right into your phone. Try it out with your own photos and enjoy easy access to information saved in your memories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy Samsung tips.